In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on Dropbox. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account. Instead of just a password, Dropbox will ask for a second code, usually from your phone. This makes it much harder for anyone else to get into your files, even if they somehow know your password. First, open your browser and go to the Dropbox Home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account details so you can see your files and folders. Once you're on the main Dropbox page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new page where you can manage everything related to your account. At the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab called Security. This is where all of your security-related options live, including passwords and two-factor authentication. On the security page, find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. Click the toggle to turn it on. Dropbox now needs to confirm that it's really you making this change, so it will ask you to type in your password. Carefully enter your password, then click on Submit. Next, Dropbox will ask how you want to receive your verification codes. You'll typically see two options: an Authenticator app or SMS text message. An Authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or similar apps, is often more secure and usually quicker, so that's a great choice if you already use one. Select the option you prefer, then click Submit again to continue. If you choose an Authenticator app, Dropbox will show you a QR code or a setup key. Follow the on-screen instructions to add Dropbox to your app, then type in the confirmation code from the app into the field on Dropbox. Make sure you enter it exactly, then move on. Dropbox may then prompt you to add a phone number as a backup. You can click into the field and enter your number if you want that extra safety net, or click Skip for now if you prefer to set it up later. To wrap things up, follow the on-screen buttons. Click Finish, then Finish again if prompted, and finally click Done. At this point, two-factor authentication is active on your Dropbox account, and next time you sign in, you'll use both your password and your code for much stronger protection.